Hey fellow enthusiasts, welcome back to Open Up for It. The journey to the license applying for a driving license in Dubai is like going on a quest. You need to follow these steps. Step 1. Open a traffic file. This is your first step, like getting a mission scroll in a video game. You need to go to a driving school in Dubai and open a file. You will need documents like your Emirates ID, passport and visa copy. Step 2. Take the theory test. Remember how you study for exams. This is a similar test. It's about rules you need to follow when driving. Step 3. Take driving lessons. Now the fun begins. You get to learn how to drive with a professional instructor. Step 4. Pass the internal assessment. This is like an mini boss fight. Your driving school test if you are ready for the final examination. If you pass, you move forward. Step 5. Pass the final road test with final boss battle. It would help if you showed an RTA examiner that you can drive safely. If you pass, you will get your license. Thank you for watching.